What's up guys, it's Sunny Chauhan here and you're watching Sketch Bill Ride. I'm here in Goa and I'm not riding this time. No BMWs, no Ducatis, it's a raft. So let's just hop onto the raft and enjoy the video guys. Alright, what's up guys, it's day 2 here in Goa, on my way to rafting right now. I can't carry my phone or any other camera, so the GoPro is the best thing. So I'm vlogging for the first time on the GoPro directly, just holding it in my hand. And yeah, I don't know how stable it is, I don't know how audible I am, but then this thing feels nice. I'm walking through a nice village here. We go all the way down to the river and that's where all the action starts. I'll be in the water for approximately an hour. It's pure whitewater rafting and I'll just show you the view. I mean, this thing is serene, this thing is natural, it's very green, and I think I picked a nice time of the range to come here because obviously you need water in the rivers to raft. But then just look at all this. Okay guys, so just walking down now to the river. I can hear quite a lot of water. I can't see it yet, but when I do, okay, now I do see it. We've reached the river and I'm sure you can already hear the water. Sunai de sakta hai. So now it's just time to turn and see. Alright, so all geared up, just got hold of my paddle here and yep, the jacket is on, the GoPro mount is on. I guess the river is also ready to take me. And yep, it's going to be around a 10 kilometers ride and it's going to take around an hour to do the same. So now let's just jump on to some POV footage and let the action begin. So there are multiple commands you need to follow. All forward means basically all of them go forward. Stop means you stop. And that's how you hold your paddle. So this is Mahadevi river by the way. And we're inside the Mahadevi Wildlife Sanctuary. So you might just spot a leopard or a crocodile. If you are lucky and if I am lucky. And also we've got 2 more people from Pune on the boat. It's like full Amchi Puneri Paltan here.